Nuls has become Nuls AI. Since then, the ecosystem has been expanding with various platforms that I want to show you in today's video. So let's start with the Nuls AI ID platform, which is the new digital identity tool on the Nuls blockchain. Here you can create your digital identity, which serves as your profile within blockchains. For example, mine is bitnoob.ai, one of the identities I created here. However, unlike the competition, when you create your digital identity with Nuls AI, it will have financial value. After all, soon you will be able to train your identity with artificial intelligence, turning it into an AI agent. Additionally, you will be able to trade your ID and earn passive income from it. This system is integrated with Nuls POS, which is the Nuls consensus system. As you can see, my identity bitnoob.ai has already received 0.98 Nuls. For those who previously had the old NaiBox ID, it has been fully integrated into Nuls AI ID. As you can see, the ID on the right came from NaiBox. The next platform is NaiNFT. This is a platform for launching NFT collections integrated with a bonding curve liquidity protocol. Basically, 20% of the minting fees from any NFT collection launched here will be used to provide liquidity for that collection. After the launch ends, this liquidity is locked and burned, meaning it will remain there forever. The rest of the minting fees go toward a fair launch for the community. For example, there's the Lucky Bonus Pool, which rewards users minting NFTs at launch. Here we see that this user minted 1 NFT, spent 10 Nuls, but received a 6 Nuls lucky bonus, which is 60% of what they spent. In some cases, the bonus even exceeds the initial spending. For instance, this user spent 10 Nuls to mint an NFT but received 29 Nuls as a lucky bonus reward. Now, let's talk about NaiPUMP, which is also designed for fair launches within the community but focuses on tokens, meme coins, and community coins. This platform also includes the bonding curve protocol to bring liquidity to the launched tokens. Whenever a token in the launch process is accessed here, you will see the bonding curve progress at the bottom. Basically, when the curve reaches 100%, the liquidity will be burned and locked forever. The next platform on the list is TagAI. In addition to being a token launch platform focused on fair launches, it features airdrop mechanisms for the community, rewarding people who engage, post, and talk about the token being launched. Looking at my profile, you can see that I have already made some Twitter posts, which were identified using the hashtags I included. This varies depending on the project you are mentioning. Once your tweet is identified, it goes through a review period by other platform users. For example, when entering the TAI token section and scrolling down, I can see various posts. Clicking on this fire icon, I can evaluate these posts using my VP points. The more ratings a post receives, the higher it ranks, and the more tokens you earn. For example, this post has already been evaluated several times and will distribute 6,000 tokens to the author, and 6,000 tokens to the reviewers. I personally had some well-rated posts, such as my recent one about the BAT token. This post had an approximate total value of $23, and I earned 318,000 BAT tokens that were launched on this platform. The curators, meaning those who rated my token, also received a share of those 318,000 tokens. Scrolling down, I made another post that also received a reward. In this case, I earned 22,000 TAI tokens. The tokens I earned are already in my NaiBox wallet. Remember that this platform also follows the bonding curve mechanism, which automatically provides liquidity for token launches. Now in the next updates we will talk about the new developments, such as the NaiStaking that will be launched soon. This is a liquid staking and restaking tool within the Nuls AI ecosystem. At the moment, the website is not live yet, but we should have updates on the project soon. Final platform, Bitsflea. Finally, the last platform in today's video is Bitsflea, a brand new platform within the Nuls AI ecosystem. However, this one focuses on e-commerce, a digital marketplace where people can list and trade a variety of products using the Nai token, which is the new ticker for the Nuls cryptocurrency. This platform is still in its early stages, but some users have already listed a few products. It will be interesting to see how trading evolves here using the Nai cryptocurrency. Well guys, these were some of the major platforms launched and highlighted following the transition from Nuls to Nuls AI. Certainly, these platforms will continue to grow, new ones will emerge, and the entire ecosystem will keep expanding. So, what do you think? Did you enjoy learning about these projects? I'll leave all their Twitter links in the video description so you can check them out. If you like this content, I'd like to ask you to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.